Yawning is from Shaytan. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yawning is from Shaytan. If one of you feels like yawning, let him suppress it as much as possible." Sahih al-Bukhari. Don't say, "Ah," when yawning. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When one of you yawns, let him cover his mouth, for Shaytan laughs when he hears him say, ah." Sahih al-Bukhari. Yawning comes from laziness. Scholars explain, yawning usually happens from ghafla, heedlessness, laziness, or overeating. Things Shaytan likes because they distract a person from worship.